With Symbium Citizens Dashboard, homeowners and contractors can instantly understand and visualize what's possible on a property, and then submit and manage permit and rebate applications. Using Symbium, permits are issued instantly because the regulatory checks are built right into our web interface. Let's say I'm a contractor who's looking to install rooftop solar panels. To start, I visit Symbium and I enter the address or parcel number. Symbium zooms in to a three-dimensional view of the property. I can zoom out, tilt the perspective, and see the surrounding building heights and topography. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's property data concerning land use, square footage, year built, building details, environmental hazards, and proximity to transit. Symbium not only tells me what currently exists on the property, Symbium makes it easy to access this property's permit history. When I click on a permit, I can see additional details about it, including the project description, the cost, and the professional who worked on the project. To apply for a rooftop solar permit, I click on Property Improvements. Then, under Apply for Permits, I click on the Rooftop Solar or Battery Storage Installation button. This takes me to a worksheet where I can scope out my project and apply for a permit. Let's say I'm a contractor installing a rooftop solar system with an inverter and an optimizer, as well as an energy storage system in the garage. To start, I will scope out the type of equipment involved in this installation. As soon as I select the equipment, you'll notice a few things changing on the screen. First, you'll see that the number of requirements I must meet appears on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Also, a number of questions related to the equipment and the installation have appeared. Next, I select the brand and model of the PV system, as well as the total number of modules. You'll notice that some of the module specifications are automatically pulled in from the California Energy Commission's database. Next, I will provide details about the array mounting system. I've specified that the maximum spacing between adjacent points in the PV array is 112 inches. Symbium instantly alerts me that it has detected an issue with this specification and that a permit cannot be issued through Symbium. If I click on the alert notification, Symbium takes me to the Analysis tab, where I'm told exactly the cause of the issue. In this case, I'm told the maximum spacing between adjacent attachment points can be, at most, 72 inches. This transparent regulatory analysis is unique to Symbium. Symbium helps me understand what regulations I've complied and not complied with. It surfaces the universe of all regulations that apply to my project with user-friendly language and code citations. All of this helps me to understand how to meet code as well as the purpose behind the regulatory requirements. Now, let me go back to the project scope and correct this error. Once I provide details about the source circuit wiring and the disconnecting means, I specify how the PV module is installed on the roof surface, and I verify that the roof is structurally sound. Next, I will answer questions about the inverter. And now, I will provide information about the optimizers. Next, I'll move forward with the energy storage system installation in an attached garage. Because the energy storage system will be installed in an attached garage, I need to verify that a heat alarm will be installed. Now that I've inputted my complete scope of work and no issues have been detected by Symbium, I can apply for a permit. Symbium provides me a breakdown of how the city fees are structured for my permit. I'm also informed that there's a $25 service fee to apply for this permit through Symbium. To proceed, I'll click on the Apply Now button. After I save my project, I'll fill in my applicant details. Symbium automatically verifies my contractor's license and pulls in my license class information from the California State Licensing Board's database. Symbium also automatically checks that I have a valid business license to operate in this location. Next, I'll upload the documents that are required in support of my permit application. Here, I'm required to upload a site plan, an electrical line diagram, and the specification sheets and installation manuals. I can view details about what needs to be included in each of these documents by clicking on the Help icon. Next, I'll verify that all the information I've supplied is correct and that the installation will be performed by a qualified person and sign my name. As a last step to apply for this permit, I'll enter my payment information. After I click Apply and Pay, Symbium shepherds my permit application directly to the city's permit tracking system. Once the permit has been issued by the city, I will receive notification of its issuance via email as well as on my Symbium dashboard. From there, I can navigate to the Download Documents tab. Here, I can view the permit record, all the documents I submitted in support of my permit application, as well as the inspection checklist that will be used by the inspector in the field. This brings us to the end of our demo of Symbium's streamlined solar permitting experience. To get started using Symbium to instantly check your solar project for code compliance and apply for an instant solar permit, visit Symbium.com.